Hello guys, in this session we will see some practices that we must need to follow for improve the performance of our application. We need to create the single page application rather than the multiple page. If you want the more data, then we need to use the AJAX call. We need to write the event based on the touch rather than the click. We does not need to use the JavaScript based animation. We can use the CSS3 based animation which are faster. Storage. We need to provide the local storage for the application. Cache will improve the performance of our application. Plugins. We need to only add those plugins that we are using. We need to write the HTML code which is simple rather than the complicated, because the DOM structure requires some time to evaluate it. We can also use the mobile-based framework which improve the performance as well as the development speed. There are various mobile-based framework exist such as Ionic, PhoneGap, AngularJS, MobiScroll, etc. Thank you for listening.